Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. Today's video, it's a weird one. I have the randomest haul ever. I have a lot of random stuff, some books, some accessories, some clothes, some shoes, pretty much anything you can think of all in one. You might recognize this face. This makeup was last video's makeup, and if you didn't see that one, why? But yes, this video is going to be my first ever haul video. I mean, I've done makeup hauls and first impressions where I show you what I got, but you've never seen it in this style of format from me. So yes, I hope you subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media down below, and let's get on with this haul video. Moving on to probably the most important thing I've ever bought in my entire life. I bought this giant dinosaur. It's the freaking cutest freaking thing ever. Like, look how it's so cute. Like, it's so soft. Like this, it's like one of those felt velvety feels, and it's literally like the dumbest thing I've ever bought, but I was so obsessed with it. They're called Cuddle Pals. It says it right here. Not sponsored, but it's called a Cuddle Pal because this thing is the freaking squishiest thing I've ever felt in my life. It's literally just like I just love it. It doesn't match any of my bedding or any of my other pillows or my room at all, but like, it's so cute. So that was the first thing I got. I actually got it at Barnes & Noble. Alright, I don't even know where to start as far. Alright, I guess I'll get like the randomest shit out of the way. So, I don't think anybody cares, but I bought an umbrella to put in my purse / bag. It's green polka dots. I got this at Target, cute little mini umbrella. So going along with that, I got this backpack. This is the freaking cutest backpack. It's just a cute little black backpack. Got it from Target too. They're a New Day brand. So I grabbed this. It's a pretty decent size. I mean, I don't really put anything in my purse. I kind of just have my wallet and like stupid shit like makeup and chapstick and like perfume. I think backpacks are so trendy and cute, and I was just really into it. Going along with the new purse, I got a new wallet. This is what it looks like. It's really freaking cute. It has like two zippers, just like an opened little part, and then the other one of course has like all the little like card slits or whatever. It's just this really cute lavender dark like dull purple color, and this is from the Universal Threads from Target. It was 13 bucks. And yeah, I think it's super cute. I guess I'll go in with another thing for like purses and stuff. I got this fancy that lightning bolt key holder. Like, you can like just throw your keys onto this, and this is your little key ring, and it's super cute. I'm super into lightning bolts. You will see other stuff in this video, but I really love them. I have a tattoo of a lightning bolt. They're just like my thing. Okay, I'm gonna step aside from that type of stuff, and I'm gonna show you some skincare and miscellaneous like stuff like that products that I got. So this is the face wash that I'm obsessed with. This is the Clean and Clear Night Relaxin' Deep Cleanin' Face Wash. It looks like this. This is my second bottle. I just ran out of a whole bottle of this. My skin loves this stuff. It smells so nice. It cleans your face so good. I use this morning and night, even though it's like a night relaxing face wash. I do use it in the morning, and just, it's so gentle on the skin, but it really cleans it, and I'm a big fan, and it's like $5. Going along with skincare, I got the Bliss Mighty Marshmallow Face Mask. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. This is my favorite face mask ever. It looks like this, but it's just so freaking good. And I was just like, I don't know. It's like a little whipped whipped little concoction, and I think I love it because it's a face mask, but I really hate clay masks that like dry down and get really hard and cracky because they're just like annoying and they like start to itch my skin. No matter what mask I've tried, any clay mask I've used, it just starts to like not feel good on the skin when it starts to get like hard. I know that's like the point of them, but I really don't like them. So with this, it's a whipped texture, so it never gets hard. You just leave it on your skin for like 15 minutes and it's like the same like consistency as like when you wash it off from when you put it on. Like it doesn't get hard or do anything weird, and I just like it because it doesn't do anything weird like that, but when I wash it off, I notice a difference in my skin. Like the first time you use it, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, this is freaking amazing, because it's just my pride and joy, and I can make a whole video talking about my skincare. If you guys would want to see that, let me know. But yeah, my favorite mask ever. So this is kind of a very random product. This is the Earth Therapeutics Elixir of Dreams Pillow Mist. This is like my 4th one of these. I get them off of Ulta, like the Ulta app, or online at Ulta, whatever. And I literally have so little of this left. I'm literally finishing my 3rd one. This is my 4th one of these. Let me show you a quick close-up. This is the bottle. Now, what I like to use this with is I spray it on my pillows at night. Before I go to sleep, I'll spray it on like my stuffed animals on my bed. Anything I know I'm gonna be snuggling with, I like drench it on there. Let me like explain what it's about. So I use it because I do suffer from anxiety. I think anxiety is extremely common and people suffer and deal with it in different ways, and I was never crazy on aromatherapies because a lot of essential oils like make my head hurt, or I just don't think they smell good. But this to me is my version of aromatherapy because I smell this and it just works. It just really calms me down and just like oh, I'm okay, like it's okay. So kind of going along with scents, I got a perfume from Sephora. So I got the Replica Lazy Sunday Morning perfume. This is just the travel size. Fragrance description to them is soft skin and bed linen. It's a female fragrance. It doesn't say the notes on there, but if you're curious, look it up. I really like this. It's like florally and just like soft and pretty and girly, and if you're at Sephora, check them out. They have so many different types of scents, and I really like the whole background of their perfumes because it's like lazy Sunday morning, a day at the beach, jazz club, like it's like scenes, and I guess it's like how you would think it would smell. That's the scene. Okay, so that was like all the scent stuff. So I'm gonna move into some books that I bought today. Actually, the day I'm filming this is when I bought these books. So something about me is I have found new interests that is all I can think about anymore, and that is astrology. I have been nonstop talking to my mom about like all the signs and all the stars, and like just like randomly saying like, oh, like da-da-da about a Leo, about a Virgo, like reading on my phone the bare minimum I can on my phone about the signs and astrology and all the stars and stuff. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I just want to know everything. Like I seriously have found this like new love for astrology, and I'm just so fascinated by it. So I got this book at Barnes & Noble. It's called Astrology, Using the Wisdom of the Stars in Your Everyday Life by Carol Taylor. Ah! It's a husky book. Like this is like my head. It was $25, and basically all of the signs, I feel like I'm doing such a bad job at showing you this, but it's super informative. It tells you all about astrology, all about zodiac signs, all about everything like that. This book I'm so excited to literally read it end to end because I'm so fascinated by this. So kind of going along with that, I bought this. It has all of the zodiac star constellations, but it's not a book or anything. It's just a little sketchbook, so all of the pages are open. Now, I just thought it was cute because it has the zodiac thing. So this is the book. It's called A Little Bit of Chakras, An Introduction to Energy Healing by Amy Lay and Chad Mercury, whatever. But yeah, it's just this little chapter book that I'm really excited to read. Again, this is another thing like the astrology thing. I want to know all about chakras. I want to get into meditation and yoga and just becoming one with my inner body and my spirit, and just, you know. Plus, this was one of the only chakra books there, which I was so surprised, unless I wasn't looking in the right section, because I didn't ask anyone. I kind of found it on my own. So I saw this. I thought it was really freaking cute, and it's probably just the basic of the basic, but it's a jump start, so I can't wait to read this. Going along with the same thing, this book, it is this book. It is A Little Bit of Angels, An Introduction to Spirit Guidance by Elaine Clayton. And I bought this. It's the same style as that one. I thought it was by the same person because it's literally like the same like series, but I guess if they're different topics, they can't be by the same person. It's just a book about angels, and I just got it from my dad just to learn and to educate myself, and to just like, there's so much out there like that you can learn and read about. And I did get some jewelry, and I will show you right now, right before I get into the clothes. So I got this little cross necklace. It's just a plain gold cross, and I got this at Windsor. So next, I got these freaking hoops. They're from Target, the Wild Fable brand, but they're hoops with lightning bolts on them. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, they're like these gunmetal gray hoops, and then they're probably not gonna stop bobbing around, but they have lightning bolts and they just like hang, and I was like, that is so freaking cute. I did get more earrings. This is also from the Wild Fable brand at Target, and it's just this like multi-pack of them, if you just want to take a look. So you just got some silver plain studs, some hearts. The ones that really drawed me into getting this were like, it don't even do its justice. Well, this one it does. Like this teal blue and like these pink and purple little hoops, and of course there's lightning bolts in there, and stars. Like all of these like made me want them. I mean, I'm not crazy about every single one of them, like lizards. I don't want lizards earrings, but I liked more than half of them, so I was like, okay, this is a good investment. And I actually have 3 of my holes pierced, and I never have any of them in except my first one because I can't find earrings that I like. So I thought this was a good pack because you get some hoops and you get some studs, so I can like wear the hoop and then some studs. And yeah, I just thought it was so cute. Alright, so moving on to the clothes part of the haul. I went to a few different stores, and I ended up getting these shoes. They're like the Adidas Superstar sneakers, and they're really cute, but I got them in a size 8 even though I'm a size 9, but they fit almost perfect. I think Adidas like run big, but yeah, these are really cute and I really like them. And then I went to Payless, and I got these slippers that are literally on my feet right now. It's kind of gross, but like they're these cute like plaid fuzzy moccasin slippers, and I just bought them to be like house slippers, like to wear them around the house. Now, as far as clothes go, I got this hoodie. like last week from Garage. It's like an oversized hoodie. Like the sizes go like X small, small, medium to large. I got the medium to large size, and it's just this black like oversized hoodie. Like you can see, these are the sleeves, and they're that like really wide sleeve, and I really like it. But I've worn it every day since I've gotten it, and it's like dirty and gross, and I need to wash it. I did get that necklace from Windsor, as well as this damned shirt. It's like a crop top white shirt, and as I was just doing my makeup, I got like black eyeshadow all over it, so that's great. Going along with American Eagle, I got this shirt in regular American Eagle. It's just a plain white t-shirt, and it's like, it's not cropped, but it's like a shorter t-shirt. And these are like my favorite shirts to wear whenever I want to like dress up, because even when I dress up, I still like to be like really comfy and cozy, and I usually just try to dress up like a t-shirt and I'll wear heels with it. But these are my favorite white tees to just throw under anything, and you can wear them just because, or you can dress it up like so much to where it literally looks like fancy. And then in American Eagle as well, I got this. It's like my new favorite thing in the world. It's a big ass jean, like black jean denim jacket. I feel like my lights aren't showing how this like really looks, but there's like holes in it, and it just looks like really rugged and like edgy, and I don't know, I really like it. We are down to our last item of this haul, and probably my most favorite freaking item of this haul. So I saw this jacket at Abercrombie & Fitch, and I fell in love with it, but it was $120, so I didn't get it. And then like 3 weeks go by, me and my mom went back to the mall, and I ended up getting it because it was $50 off. Like the deal was like $50 off, not 50%, $50 off. So I was like, oh, that's cool. So I got it for $70, and it is this obnoxious green like winter coat, but I think it's the cutest freaking thing ever. I got it in a size XL, just so it could like be really comfy on me. But it is like this really loud like green winter coat, and I love it, and I think it's gonna look so cute in pictures, and it's gonna look so cute when like there's all like white snow on the ground, and you can just like have this in pictures. And I just love it, and I love the color green, so like it's just so cute, and I'm obsessed with it. So that's the end of this haul. I know it was so random, and I bought so many random things and just jammed it all into this video, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and follow all of my social media and stuff down below, and continue to watch my videos. And I'll see you in my next one, so bye guys.